Hi everybody, Josh Mueller, your knife guy here, and this is actually the video for the March drawing where we're going to be giving away a free Cutco can opener, the world's greatest can opener. Guaranteed forever. If you ever wear it out, you just send it back and get a brand new one. It's really cool. It has a nice little magnet right here so you can actually lift your lid up out of the can, so no more sticking your fingers inside your food. It doesn't rust or corrode, and it stays sharp for years. Plus it's super duper comfortable. I think you're going to really enjoy this, whoever wins it. So remember, if you're receiving our monthly newsletter, you're in this drawing. And if you don't win today, as long as you continue to receive that newsletter, your name's going to be in the drawing each month. So, and we're giving away a different piece of Cutco every single month, so you want to make sure that you're watching this video to keep up. Don't forget, thank you so much, because we've been getting so many great comments on the recipes, the videos, and the blog site on yourknifeguy.com. So don't forget to share with your family and your friends. There's so much great information on there on how to save time, have fun, and be healthy in your kitchen. And we want to make sure that we're impacting your world and your families in a positive way. So let's go ahead and do this drawing, and then we'll get this shipped out to whoever wins it, and we'll look forward to seeing you in next month's newsletter and on next month's drawing video. Look at all those people. Here we go. And our winner is Barry Love. Barry Love, you just won yourself a brand new Cutco can opener. Congratulations.